Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So that's for this video. You guys could follow me around while I clean my room. I don't have much to do, to be honest, but you know, like I thought you guys might be interested in see how I clean my room. I always love watching these kind of videos anyway, so I thought it would be interesting. And yeah, I don't have much to do. Like I said, I just have to like clean my covers. I have to tidy up my room. I keep my room pretty clean, so like usually when I have to clean, I don't like, it doesn't take me that long. And also I have to dust everywhere because it's gonna accumulate a little bit. Like it's been a while since I did it last, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's why I'm looking kind of rough today. The only thing that's done are my nails. And yeah, I'm looking kind of rough today. I'm looking tired also. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. So just do some laundry, just clean some surfaces, and tidy up a little bit. And yeah, just trying to like take off all of the dust a little bit before it's already cold. So yeah, just have to clean my heater and everything, so make sure all the dust is off. And that's about it. That's what I'm doing today. I'm not gonna talk in this video. It's basically just like follow me around. Other than that, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.